Did you know that you can receive your purchased car at your nearest city? Africa Vehicle Clearance Specialists (AVEX) offers a delivery service to B-Forward customers who wish to receive their cars in Mozambique, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Swaziland, Eswatini, and Lesotho. AVEX has more than 23 years of professional experience and is one of the trusted partners of B-Forward. AVEX office handles the delivery service of about 2,000 vehicles annually at the Durban port. To pick up your car at your nearest city, you have two ways. 1. Select the delivery service through the B-Forward website. When you order a car through the B-Forward website, select one of the cities with Delivery via Driver, Delivery via Car Carrier, or Delivery via Car Carrier and Driver. And 2. You can also make an inquiry to the AVEX office. The AVEX team will assist you with all necessary information and costs. AVEX will deliver your car to the selected city. You can be rest assured that your car will be delivered in good condition. Moreover, AVEX offers you the following: tax consulting, inspection and registration, competitive port storage. AVEX has 2 safe storage facilities in Durban and Beitbridge. Therefore, we can offer cheap storage charges and quick delivery, clearing and forwarding, city delivery with local insurance coverage. If you have any questions such as how to receive a car in areas that are not listed in the option, clarification on clearance processes, how to pay the tax, etc., please feel free to make any inquiries to the AVEX office.